hindi mo poprotektahan ang Pangulong Duterte if he is VP and international investigations start to happen under your term if you win?
No. But what do you mean hindi ko siya poprotektahan? My job as Filipino is to protect every citizen of this country and citizen of this country outside of our jurisdiction. That is the job of the president. No? That includes, Karen, let me put that in right perspective. Nakita mo yung mga kababayan nating OFW nakakulong, puputulan na lang ng ulo somewhere else, binibili pa natin because that's the job of the president. That's the job of the state to protect every citizen. But wala naman pagko-cover. Hindi naman para proteksyonan. Di ba? Rule of law will be observed. Every citizen can afford any provision of the Constitution as a matter of right. No, kailangan certain tayo sa rules But definitely, I will not lift a finger. Mag-cover or tumulong. Either way. Or magdiin. No, yung diinan, yung pagigantihan na naman. Oh, hindi. Yun ay nasa par plan yung paghihiganti, galit dito, galit after isang administrasyon, sisisihin yung isang administrasyon. After ng isang administrasyon, magpapakulong na naman.
Mayor.
And that's not me, Karen.
Okay.
And I'm going to put it on record, and it happened in Manila. When I won in Manila, I forgave, punta ko kay Mayor Lim, nagpunta ko kay Mayor Atienza, nagpunta ko kay Mayor Herap, tebats kami. Tapos,
so what you're saying is you will not be vindictive. That's what you're saying.
To heal. I really wanted to heal the country. The people are tired.
Okay.
Wala lang boses ang tao para masabi niyang, pwede ba tumigil na kayo? Let's just focus on something.
Okay.
Focus on commonality where hirap na ng tao, Karen.
Okay.
So
Mayor,
if we're gonna do the same thing, it's gonna be a cycle. No, we have to heal, and I said that very clearly.
Yeah.
Part of the major actions, if given a chance, may awan Diyos pinagbigyan ninyo ako, maggagamutan tayo. Kasi from there, magkakaroon ng unity or reconciliation, then we can move on with fast. Because too much excess baggage will hinder us to move fast for recovery of our country and our family and our economy.